memory's not too good.
I understand. Are you getting stupid these days?
I am.
You just can't remember, you stupid fuck. You're a stupid ass.
Huh?
You're stupid.
Is this Jack?
Yes.
Huh?
You dumb fuck.
Huh? Who's this?
Stupid ass.
Who? Okay, your name is Mike.
Jack.
Huh?
What? Take a deep breath, you see now, fuck?
I know you're playing a joke on me and I don't know who you are.
Shut your mouth.
Who are you?
It's Jack.
My brother.
Yes!
I didn't know your voice, Jack.
I'm disguising it, you dumb ass!
Well, what the hell are you disguising it for?
You dumb fucking numbskull fucking!
I still don't recognize you as my brother Jack.
Because you're a dumbass!
What's your wife's name?
Fuck you! Her name's Cutsucker!
Huh?
Her name's Dick Fuck!
Goodbye.
Fuck you!
Huh? Who's this?
Are you stupid or what?
No, why don't you go fuck yourself?
Hey, fuck you, buddy.
Fuck you,
hey,
mother.
Fuck you, buddy. I'm gonna come over there and beat your ass.
Yeah, why don't you come over, motherfucker?
Well, where do you live there, you little fucking...
You got my phone number? Find me, you motherfucker.
You Puerto Rican fucking bastard.
Fucking cocksucker and motherfucker.
That's the problem with these days. They got these Cubans over here. They come over here and they fuck up the country. Y'all fucked up the country.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
You fucked up the country. You're
Sit down and grab your ass and suck your fucking dick, motherfucker.
I'm gonna fuck you up the ass. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I'm gonna find your fucking phone number too, motherfucker. I'm gonna come after your ass too.
I'm gonna fucking stick my